Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the summary of C operator, hierarchy of the C operators. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, the link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. We will summarize the C operator according to the hierarchy of the operator. Which operator is executed first? That is called a hierarchy. We know that in C operator there are so many operators are available, that is arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, conditional operators, bitwise operators and special operators like comma and size of. These are all the operators available. We will see these operators one by one according to the hierarchy. So this is the operator, this is the description, the meaning of the operator, and associativity, whether it goes from left to right or right to left, and then rank. What is the rank for that? Right. The first one is the bracket, parenthesis, function call. So that is the first preference. So that is the first preference given to that. If the bracket is there, the terms available in the bracket will be executed first, either square bracket or normal bracket, array element reference. That is executed from left to right. So first rank 1. First preference is the expression available in the parenthesis, either square bracket or parenthesis. The next one is the second preference is the plus operator, then minus operator, plus plus, increment, minus minus, decrement, logical NOT gate, then complement, pointer reference, size of, address, then type of cast type, the conversion. So this is the coming under the second rank of operators, right? So this is executed from right to left, the second case of operators, that is plus, minus, increment, decrement, logical NOT, complement, pointer, address, size of, and typecast, conversion from one type to another type, integer to float, float to integer, like that. So these are all the operators coming under the rank second. It is executed from right to left. Now we'll go to the next one, third rank. So the third preference is given to multiplication, division and modulus. Multiplication means multiply two numbers, then divide the two numbers. Modulus means it will give the remainder value. After division, the remainder value given by modulus. This is executed from left to right. The rank is 3, third rank. Right. Then fourth one is the addition, subtraction. Right. Earlier what we got is unary minus and subtraction. Right. So multiplication, division, modular division, thereafter addition, subtraction. So this is executed from right to left. The rank is 4. Right. Then fifth rank is shift left and shift right. This is coming under the bitwise operator. The bits are shifted right side or left side. Right. So it is executed from left to right. This is a rank, fifth rank. This is coming under the fifth rank. That is the hierarchy position, fifth one. Right. Then we'll go to the sixth one. The sixth one is the relational operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are all coming under the fifth one, sixth rank, right? It is operated from left to right. The hierarchy wise, the sixth preference is given to the relational operators. Then equality, double equal mean it will check both the variables are equal. Not equal mean it will check whether both the operators are, both the variables are not equal. So it is executed from left to right. The hierarchy position is seventh one. Right. Then bitwise logical operators, and operator, bitwise, what we discussed earlier is the normal logical operator. This is bitwise logical operator. Bitwise mean bit by bit it will be executed. And operator, or operator, and XOR operator and OR operator. We know that AND operator mean all the inputs are high, then only will get the high output. Then OR operator, any one input is high, you will get the high output. XOR means both the inputs should be different, then only will get the high output. Right. So this is the given preference, 8, 9, 10. Right. AND operator position 8, hierarchy position 8, XOR operator 9 and OR operator is 10, right? So we discuss up to 10. We'll go to the next one. So the 11th one is the bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator is coming under the 11th position, right? Then bitwise OR operator coming under the 12th position, right? The position number 12. Then conditional operator, question mark colon. It will check the one condition. If the condition is true, the statement 1 will be executed. Otherwise, statement 2 will be executed. So that is coming under the hierarchy position 13. Then 14 is the assignment operator. Assignment and other operator. Equal. It means there is an assignment operator. It will assign the value. A equal to B means B is stored in the A value. Then multiply equal to. What is the meaning? A multiply equal to B means A equal to A into. Right. Similarly, division equal to means A equal to A divided by. It will give the division. This is the modulo operation. This will give the modulo operation. Right. Remainder value. Right. So this is the assignment operator. This is nothing but it will give the one example. A percentage equal to 10. What is the meaning for that? A equal to A into 10. Right. So A is again multiplied with the 10 value. That is the meaning for that. A equal to A into 10 is simply written as A multiply equal to 10. Similarly, division and modulo division also available. Plus equal to, same thing. A plus equal to 5. Mean what is the meaning? A equal to A plus 5. Right? With the A value, 5 is added. That is the meaning for that. Like that, the subtraction and AND operator also available. This is power. This is not equal. This is shift left. That is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So these are all the operators coming under the 14th, the hierarchy rank of 14. It is executed left to right. Right. The last one is the comma operator. The comma operator is available as a last preference, 15th preference. Right. So in this video we discuss what is the hierarchy, the summary of operator, and what is the hierarchy of operator, starting from the rank 1 to rank 15. The first rank what we discussed is the bracket, either normal bracket or square bracket. Irrespective of the operator, what is the operator available in the bracket should be executed first. Thereafter we have the hierarchies there. Multiplication, division, then subtraction, then bitwise operator, like that we have up to 15 operators are available. Right. So totally we have we have the relational operator, arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, conditional operator, then special operators, and the type. These are all the operators available. In that we discuss what is the hierarchy of these operators. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.